Listen, that sound, was it just the wind, or is someone out there right now watching your home? When you're most vulnerable, you can't be sure, not unless you have a set of eyes that never sleep. But with so many options, how do you choose? After testing hundreds of hours of footage, I found the 5 ultimate outdoor sentinels. One of them caught something on my own property, something that still gives me chills. The links to every camera we break down are in the description below. Let's find your peace of mind. Starting at number 1. Aqara Camera Hub G5 Pro. The Aqara G5 Pro doesn't come cheap, but no other security camera we've tested offers such comprehensive smart home connectivity. In addition to providing sharp 2K video and color night vision, the Aqara Camera Hub G5 Pro is equipped with the latest smart home technology, enabling it to serve as a hub with support for the Matter, Thread, and Zigbee protocols. That means you can easily integrate it with the Alexa, Google, HomeKit, and SmartThings home automation platforms. Plus, if support allows it to work with scores of third-party devices. If you're looking for a well-connected outdoor security camera that will work with just about any smart home setup, the Aqara Camera Hub G5 Pro is your best bet. We appreciate its sharp 2K video, useful AI-driven motion detection features, and free local video storage, but just keep in mind it is not wireless and does not support mechanical pan and tilt. Number 2. TP-Link Tapo Indoor-Outdoor Home Security Wi-Fi Camera C120. For just $40, the TP-Link Tapo C120 is loaded with features usually only found on more expensive models, including 2K resolution, 2560 by 1440 pixels, color night vision, and local video storage. The camera records video when it detects motion and offers free intelligent alerts that differentiate between people, pets, vehicles, and other motion events, a feature many competitors charge extra for. If you're in the market for a 2K security camera for indoor or outdoor use but don't want to spend a bundle, the TP-Link Tapo C120 deserves a spot on your shortlist. It requires a nearby GFCI outlet for power but saves you a lot of money compared with wireless 2K alternatives. Number 3. Arlo Essential XL, 2nd generation. The Arlo Essential XL Outdoor is a wireless outdoor security camera that delivers sharp 1080p or 2K video, depending on the model you choose, and lots of features, including color night vision, voice control, and strong third-party device support for a relatively affordable price. It's powered by a built-in, non-removable, battery rated to last up to 16 months between charges, depending on Wi-Fi signal strength and overall usage. In comparison, most wireless competitors last anywhere from 6 months to a year between charges. If you're in search of a feature-rich, battery-powered outdoor security camera that you'll rarely have to charge, the Arlo Essential XL is a top pick. Just keep in mind that you'll have to pay extra to access recorded video. Number 4. Arlo Go 2 LTE/Wi-Fi Security Camera. Although it isn't cheap, the Arlo Go 2 earns our Editor's Choice Award for its easy wire-free installation, excellent 1080p video quality, and ability to connect from just about anywhere using either a cellular or Wi-Fi radio. A premium price means premium features including support for voice commands, lots of third-party integrations, intelligent alerts, a built-in spotlight, and color night vision. If you need to monitor a cabin, a boat, or a work site where there is no electricity or Wi-Fi, this is the camera for you. It installs in minutes and uses a cellular radio to connect to your phone, thus allowing you to view live and recorded video or dial 911 if necessary. It can also use a Wi-Fi connection when one is available, provides long battery life with an option for charging via a solar panel, and can store recordings locally or in the cloud. Number 5. EufyCam 3S330. The EufyCam 3S330 offers all of the features we expect from a high-end outdoor security camera, including color night vision, face recognition, cloud and local storage, and an integrated spotlight. It even comes with a hub for expandable local video storage. You don't get EufyCam or HomeKit support, but built-in solar charging panels are a major plus. Eufy also conveniently sells the camera in packs of 2, 3, or 4, with a lower per device cost the more you buy. If you need to record people, pets, and vehicles on or around your property in high resolution, the EufyCam 3S330 is a top choice. And its solar charging panel means you can place it wherever you want without worrying about having to take it down to recharge the battery. This is also a smart buy if you need to keep an eye on multiple areas because you can get a bundle with up to 4 cameras. And there you have it, the 5 guardians that will make your home a fortress. No more guessing, no more fear. Your family deserves that security. If this video helped you decide on your next line of defense, pay it forward. Hit that like button, share it with your neighbors and family, and make sure you subscribe and ring the bell because next week we're exposing the shocking blind spot that 9 out of 10 security systems have. You need to see it to believe it. All product links are in the description. Stay safe.